Data mining and extraction is one of the most prominent processes within any company's IT department. When extraction and mining are not handled properly, other aspects of information governance and data management will almost certainly go awry. This is why only the most powerful and efficient solutions should be in play. SiMX text converter has risen to the top of the ladder with respect to speed, scope, accuracy, and affordability. We have been creating and improving data extraction and data processing software for more than 20 years. Our long-time experience, multiplied by the close work with specialists in many different fields, has produced this truly useful solution, which finds its well-deserved place in the analytical arsenals of business professionals in such diverse industries as healthcare, insurance, banking, automotive, agriculture, and many others. Organizations and individuals looking to bring together and analyze data from disparate reporting and legacy systems will be able to cut their data processing cost by 3 to 5 times, as well as gain a level of data integration unreachable without the help of SiMX data mining technology. Such tasks can be easily implemented and fully automated using Target Data Processing Suite. Input data can be retrieved from any location. Input formats will be automatically recognized and processed with a corresponding data extraction setup. Extracted data can be loaded into a database for further processing. It can also be reverse engineered on the fly and rendered as PDF, MS Word, HTML, or as an Excel report. Our software can retrieve data from local and remote file folders, emails, websites, as well as other programs. Input data can come in as any format, such as PDF, text files, HTML, Excel, or MS Word documents. Various forms of business data, such as various certificates, purchase orders and industrial data, invoices and airway bills, payroll reports and bills of lading, financial reports and phone bills, can be extracted, filtered, transformed, and loaded into any database such as MS SQL Server, Oracle, or a flat system such as MS Access, Excel, CSV, or a text file. A friendly user interface allows business professionals with no IT skills to set up data extraction projects in minutes. Let's walk through a typical process of setting up a data extraction project. You can open an input file from the toolbar, main menu, or the list of recent input files. We'll use this sample report in a PDF format as our input. Data in this invoice report belongs to several levels. We call such a data layout hierarchical. It has customer data on top, then invoice for each customer, and invoice details at the innermost level. We usually begin setting up a data extraction project with a detailed or most internal level of data. The first detailed template is there by default. First, we identify a typical input segment that belongs to the detailed level. It's pretty clear in this sample case that invoice details belong to the innermost detail level. We click a line belonging to that segment and select Set up fields from the selected line from the fly menu. All input lines fitting the same pattern are recognized and the input and output dictionaries are created. The first detailed template is set up. Each template has its own input dictionary. Input fields together with templated properties define data extraction rules. The output dictionary defines how extracted data is laid out in the output database, table, or file. All project elements are conveniently synchronized. Clicking on an input segment highlights the corresponding output cell, showing where the data will go after extraction. Conversely, clicking on an output preview cell selects the corresponding input segment, highlighting where the data is coming from. Text Converter supports multi-line templates as well as multi-line fields. Let's see how easily multi-line field extraction can be set up. We simply check the multi-line option of the description field and values for multiple lines are extracted. Sometimes we need to specify a bottom boundary for multi-line fields to exclude unneeded lines. There we go. Let's move to the next invoice level. We add a top-level template, rename it, and set it up as a multi-line template. You can choose which input fields should be added to the output. Please note, the due date field is located below the details. A template can extract its data from above or below other templates' data. We just turn the footer option on and the field gets extracted. We can now move one level up to the customer level. We add these two fields as tag-based fields. Text Converter automatically identifies the most likely locations of the corresponding field values. In case you are not satisfied with the automatic behavior, you can modify the tag's property and add a field value position manually. You can also highlight a field value and then select an appropriate tag for it. This field value contains an address. Let me show you how Text Converter can parse it into separate address parts. Street address, city, state, and zip are now recognized. Let's use a calculated field to initialize a country. You can use input and output fields, VBScript functions, and text converter libraries to define your calculated expressions. We'll just use a simple constant for now. Now let's take a look at the legal entity field. It is located in the page header. This type of information does not belong to the data hierarchy. It simply goes from the top to the bottom of the file, repeating itself at the beginning of every page. Text Converter has flat templates just for such cases. Data can be extracted from page footers as well. The extraction results can be loaded to any database system using OLEDB or ODBC connectivity, or they can be saved to Excel, Access, CSV, or a text file. Let's save to an Excel file and run the process. The results can be viewed using our built-in data browser, which allows sorting, filtering, as well as aggregation. Everything looks good. We now save the project for future use. The next time we need this project, we can open it from the list of recent projects, File menu, or the toolbar. I did not have a chance to demonstrate all of Text Converter's features during this short introduction. A discussion of filtering and scripting, reporting and aggregation, as well as a detailed look at data extraction techniques will be presented in coming lessons.